guys, welcome to my channel. It is Kristen, aka the Thrifty Raven. I am home today from work and I'm going to be doing a cleaning and redecorating day. So I want to show you guys a quick project that I'm going to be making from the Dollar Tree for this area of my wall right here. It was really inspired by the window that I got at the Target Dollar Spot haul, this little guy. But I feel like it's too small in this area and I wasn't crazy about how it looked. So I'm going to be making my own window project out of Dollar Tree items. Stick around. Thanks so much for following me and let's get this project started. So the first thing you're going to need are 4 of these little, these little frames. You're going to find these at your local Dollar Tree. The reason I picked these up in particular is because they have this really cool sort of distressed whitewash frame. I'm going to be popping this plastic out of these because I'm just going to be using the frames. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a project that I made from a Target Dollar Spot item, which is a throw pillow made from a bar towel. Super easy, guys. You don't even have to be good at sewing to do it, so stick around. Make sure you watch till the end and I will show you how I did that as well. So the first thing I did is I took this frame and I popped the vinyl piece out of it. Twist off. So you can remove the wire by just twisting the wire off of here. I'm going to use a tiny little screwdriver to take the little hooks off of here. I can use these for other projects, so make sure you don't throw those away.
So after I finished gluing, I realized I had a gap between 2 of the frames, and that is because one of the frames was not the exact same style as the other 3. So I just used a thin dowel that I had left over from a previous project to make sure that everything was adhered together and there were no gaps between the frames. But there was also a little bit of a gap on the other side. It didn't run flush with the frame above it, so I ended up having to use another thin dowel to even that out with the frame above it. And I believe I got these at Michael's. You can get them fairly cheap. They're like little balsa wood dowels and you can cut them to size. So that's what it looks like after everything was attached together, and now I'm just going to sand it so that my paint adheres. I have one of these little desktop vacuums from Amazon. You need to get one. They are awesome and they are like $10. Totally worth the investment. So this is the finished project. I have since added to that wall, and I have another video coming up about the stuff that I have around this decor piece. Now I'm going to talk about the Raven's Claw Inn pillow that I made from the Target Dollar Spot. So basically what you're going to need for this, or what I used, is the Target Dollar Spot Raven's Claw Inn bar towel, and I also used a baby blanket from Dollar Tree. I used Fabric Fusion for this and some needle and thread. But basically, you're just going to adhere the 2 pieces, cut your baby blanket down to size, and purchase some polyfill from Joann Fabrics. And that's all I did. You can either fuse it together with the Fabric Fusion tape or sew it together inside out and then turn it right side in. Super easy project and a beautiful decor piece.